Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab, and it's so good to see you all. Have you had a good week? This was a short week for me, 4 days of work. I'm off tomorrow, thank goodness. Labor Day was last weekend, so I hope that y'all got to enjoy some of it. Smudge was up here a moment or two ago, and now he's over there, but Blue came over. What's on you, Blue? I think he's got, did you have a food fight? He's got some food on him, I think. Anyway, y'all, I am, every time he walks by, he knocks something down. I'll tell you what I'm wearing. I am wearing this Huda Beauty Empowered palette. This palette is gorgeous, but I'll tell you something, it's very hard to work with. I think Andy Does Stuff told me that it's hard to work with. Whoops. I don't know. It's gorgeous, but it's hard to work with. Anything that is frosted looking is not like a regular shimmer. It's weird. It's like glitter and glue or something weird. Anyway, and on my lips, I have the original Pillow Talk. And that's it there. And that's what I'm wearing. And y'all, I am okay. I'm not great. It's too slow for me. I like to get things done, and my arm is not getting done. So, it's better than it was. I can lift it some. So I can do some things, but very, very slow. But it is improving, so that is a good thing. It is improving. So, I've got a few things to talk about, I guess. I have just been tired. Very, very tired. I don't have any plans this weekend because I'm so tired and I can't get anything done. I do feel like I just need to rest more. On my Stitch Fix that I did show this week, I didn't do a try on. I sent everything back. I really wasn't all that happy with it. And when you can't try things on, how do you know? Let me think about it. There were only 2 tops in there that I would have tried on, but I just couldn't do it. They were long sleeve or long, I couldn't do it. I've been having to wear a short sleeve. Blue, would you stop coming through and knocking things over, love? Come on then. Sit down or something. There, that's good. That's good. Okay. So I wanted to let you know that about the Stitch Fix. On FabFitFun, the scratch off card, I never see anybody win ever, ever, ever. I mean, it's been a few years they've been doing the scratch offs. And does anybody win the 10 grand? Miss Jackie Russell won $30. She's the only time I've ever seen anybody win. I have tried to scratch the card off in the past and it doesn't work. This time I was very, very gentle, very, very careful. And I was able to see that, code that UPC code, whatever it's called, that you scan with your phone. And I didn't win. It said, you're not a winner. So I did not win. But Miss Jackie Russell won. Like I said, the only time I've ever seen anybody win. And also from FabFitFun, I did, that I meant to bring it over here, but I didn't. It's that the neck wrap. I've been using it almost every night. I've been using it. I have it in the freezer and there are beads in it, and I put it around my neck, and then I leave it longer on this side and I tuck it in my pajama. And then I go to bed that way. And it doesn't stay cold it stays cold for 20 to 30, or 35, 40 minutes, the most. But the real cold of it starts to leave 20 minutes out. I haven't tried it hot at all yet. So, but you would put it in the microwave for, for a couple moments or so. And it's probably very similar, but it's nice. I like it. I will say that. I do like it. Also this week, on my treasure trove giveaway, which went up a day or so ago, Jo won. She was one of the winners, and her name was Jo Just Jo, but she's changed her name of her channel. It's Jo's Beauty Room now. So I'll put that link below. I didn't notice that until I was done uploading and everything, and then I went to grab her channel link to put in the description, and there it said Jo's Beauty Room instead of Jo Just Jo. So go check her out, y'all. And there's a few giveaways coming up and going on. I'm just seeing if I know I'm just tired. I'm so sorry, y'all. I hope you all have had a good week. And the weather is starting to change here just ever so slightly. It's not horribly hot anymore. Now, I shouldn't say anymore, just for a day or so. Today, it's been a little gray. We get sun and then we get some gray, but it's like 85, 86, 87, which is nice. It's not in the 90s, so that's very nice. There's been a nice breeze for a couple of days also, which has been very nice. So, and also, y'all, what do y'all think? Have you thought about, right now, the advent calendars are starting to come out. What do you guys think of them? I was waiting. I wait for that Space NK. And then I saw it. And y'all, it's a good calendar, but it isn't spectacular to me like it was last year. So I didn't get it. And I looked at a couple other, I like really bougie calendars. I shouldn't say I don't like. If I had the money, I'd love to have every advent calendar, every beauty advent calendar. They're all wonderful. But the ones that are just specific, I have had the Body Shop before. It's just the Body Shop products. That's really nice. And there's several like that. Charlotte Tilbury has one that's just her stuff, so that makes sense. But I like a variety of things. So I did look at the Liberty Beauty calendar and also the Cult Beauty calendar. And those three, Space NK, Liberty, and Cult Beauty, those are all from the UK. And I think the UK is much more into advent calendars than the US is, because we don't have any beauty calendars that are spectacular. We have, like the store ones that have just little minis in them instead of, a spectacular one. I'd love to create a spectacular one. It would be nice. Anyway, so I bought the Cult Beauty. So that has a value of $1,450. So I'm super excited about that. Super excited. So what I usually do with my advent calendars in the past, I only get one. Last year I had two because the wonderful Betty Vick sent me one. So, and then in the past I've had others like, fur, because Blue was here. I've had a cat one, really cute cat one that I got like from Petco or somebody or somewhere, one of the pet stores. It was really cute, y'all. It was a couple of years back. Anyway, I like to do one, basically one or two, and so when I get it, I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna do a video and open it and show you everything, because there are the people that want to see it right away. And then I'm going to put it all back into place, and I'm going to open it daily in December, like I've done for the last few years, and I'm going to have a game to play for people to win. For people to win some, some goodies, a nice box of stuff. So we will do that again this year because you all really liked it. And I've got a lot of new followers, so you all might enjoy it. So, or subscribers, maybe not followers, isn't the right name. But anyway, y'all, so I have right now, my treasure trove giveaway is going on. That's always going on. And then I also have my Mask Monday for Monday is a giveaway. It is a Mask Monday that I did with Chelsea Gainey. And I have a giveaway in that, so please go see it. You have to be subscribed to Chelsea and to me publicly. And you have to comment on both of our videos to be in the running to win the box. And there's, the box of goodies. And then you have to watch the videos. You know how that goes, to see what's going on. And then on Sunday, which is, what is today? Today's the 6th, the 8th. The Dollar Tree train is coming out again. And that is Miss Jackie Russell. I mentioned her already. That is the Fall Festival. So I'm looking forward to that. That's lots of fun. It starts at 2 o'clock, and then how it does is every 15 minutes a video comes out to sort of stagger it. If you have a chance to follow it, you can. I'm going to tell you who's in that, but before I forget, I just want to say September 5th, which was Thursday, my parents have been married for 65 years. 65 years. Isn't that exciting? I mean, that is, what an accomplishment that is. So they are, yeah, 65 years. I love my parents, and they're far away from me. They're up in Chicago. I miss them very much. I see them once or twice a year. So I did talk to them, and they had a wonderful day, So anyway, okay, so in the Dollar Tree train, the Fall Festival, we have Miss Jackie Russell, of course, and Tracy and Chloe, Unboxings, Beauty, and More. And Tracy does our ads and our thumbnails. So thank you so much, Tracy. And thank you so much to Miss Jackie Russell for inviting me to the Dollar Tree train. It's so much fun, y'all. And then there is Life with Christine, Haulin' It with Mima, which is Tammy, Favorites with Laura, Nona's Here, which is Teddy, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, All Things Arlene, Lori's Life, Blessed GMP, which is Pat, Katie's Corner of the World, Faye Blatcher, and Reviews with Sue, and then Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So it's a great group of, we have so much fun, y'all. It's just fun to find. It's hard sometimes to find things because I've got a little tiny dollar store. Some of us have big dollar stores and some of us have little ones, and mine still just has the $1.25 items. For school, they had $5 backpacks. Other than that, so far everything's still $1.25. But it's a small one. Like, it has food, but like shelf-stable food. It doesn't have a refrigerated section, which, like the big one in the town I work in, they have frozen things and they have milk and stuff like that. So, and they have fresh bread and stuff. Mine doesn't have that. So anyway, I think that's it, y'all. I'm just looking forward to the weekend to rest and try to take it easy because this gets sore. It's sore. It's not a constant pain. If you know, like, what did the doctor asked me on a scale from 1 to 10, what's the pain level? 2, 3. It's just constant. And I have to, if I take ibuprofen, it gets better. But are you not supposed to take ibuprofen all the time? You know, so I don't want to take it forever, but I mean, I'm going to have to take it sometimes. So anyway, I hope that you're doing well. Please keep me in your prayers, y'all. Please keep everybody in your prayers. I do want to say, I did show on my community tab something about this, but I wanted to say, sorry about that. Bev from Life with Grandma Bev, she has told us that she has breast cancer. It's very early on, so please keep positive thoughts, but keep her in your prayers if you will. And go, if you don't know her, I'll put her below. You can go check out her channel. She does all kinds of hauls and fun stuff. And then they travel. They live up in Washington State, and they travel down to Yuma, Arizona, I think it is, for the winter months, because it's so cold up north. So they're those those traveling people. Snowbirds. Do they call them snowbirds? I think that's what they do that. They used to travel in a travel trailer, and now they don't. They travel by car the last time or two, and they have a home down there. And excuse me. And then also JM Unboxings and More is Johanna, and she also has told us that she has breast cancer, and I've talked about her before. If you can go check out her channel as well. She does a lot of unboxings as well and hauls, and then she, the both of them are going to keep us apprised of their journey. So it's a good thing to watch and learn. And then, of course, if you know anybody that might be interested in that, let them know about those channels as well. So you all take care and count your blessings. I hope you have a good weekend. I hope you get to rest, and y'all be good. And I hope your weather is good. Take care. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.